Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from TMaxx, coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia, and today I'm introducing one of our brand new colors. This is Satin Meteor Steel, TMaxx colored PPF. What a super color, and especially a great color on the Tesla Cybertruck. Check this out. Not only does it work as a color on Cybertruck, but it's got a perfect blend of some dark grays, a little bit of metallic. Of course, it's a satin finish. I think as far as the best possible color for a Cybertruck, you're looking right at it. The dark black has been awesome, but this is just a touch off of black, so it gives you a unique look. There's a lot of black out there. Everybody's done it. Not everybody's done this. This is really a cool color for us. Brand new color. There's a full palette of new colors that we've just introduced this year. They're on the website, t-maxxusa.com. Check those out. This is definitely one of the best ones. So on this Cybertruck, depending on the angle, you're gonna get a little different shade of the color. It's a really nice look, and it's not too metallic. There's only just a skosh, a tiny bit of metallic in this, so it's kind of a subtle, cool look. I think this fits on the Cybertruck awesome. And of course, this Cybertruck's loaded up with all kinds of T-Sport line upgrades. You can see the wheels up here, the light bar, all that stuff. Super nice stuff. If you want to get a roll of film, you can get it from t-maxxusa.com. If you're interested in a DIY Cybertruck kit, check those out over at tsportline.com. All right, everybody, give me a thumbs up for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're going to keep showing you all the colors TMaxx has to offer.